I do not want to call anyone a liar, but from my experience of Johnny, it is impossible to believe that such horrific allegations are true.
Depp's lawyer painted her as a liar, saying she made up the at the height of the Me Too movement to gain publicity for a movie she was starring in at the time.
As the world continues to follow the proceedings of former celebrity couple Johnny Depp and Amber Heard's $50 million defamation trial, some newly released information appear to have tipped off the public on who's back to have. Despite the industry's former reluctance to rally around Depp, there are some old and a few new famous people who are now pro-Johnny. So which celebrities have declared their support for Depp? What does their support mean for Depp's case? While the world is tuned in and is patiently waiting for the outcome of the Depp versus Heard defamation trial that is still ongoing, Depp's fans and quite a number of his industry colleagues are reportedly sending positive energy toward the Pirates of the Caribbean star, who is currently facing off against his ex-wife. As the trial continues and new evidence comes to light, Depp was heartbreakingly captured on video, visibly upset and sullen, while an audio recording was played in court as the video of a shaken Johnny went viral on Twitter with millions of views just hours after it was released, and some fans and a few celebrities are now reacting to the news. Not only was the recording upsetting to Johnny and his legion of supporters, actress Ireland Baldwin appeared to be disgusted by the viral clip when she shared a screenshot of the post on her Instagram story, expressing her support for Depp and giving her take on the matter. The thing is, I know women who are exactly like this, Ireland started. They're manipulative and cold and use their very womanhood to play victim and turn the world against the man, because we live in a society where it's cool to say men are all the worst and blah blah effity blah. The fashion model continued. Men can experience abuse too, and this absolute disaster of a human being, Amber Heard, is a terrible person, and I hope Johnny gets his reputation and his life back, and I hope he's in like 5 Pirates movies. The audio recording played during a court session of the highly publicized and televised trial that was held on Wednesday, April 20th, 2022 in Fairfax, Virginia, exposed one of the many pieces of evidence tendered against Amber, admitting that she hit her former spouse during the course of their union. "I'm sorry that I didn't hit you across the face in a proper slap. I was hitting you, I was not punching you. You're not punched." Heard's voice could be heard addressing Depp. Following Baldwin's public support for Depp, supporters of the beloved Captain Jack Sparrow character swarmed online to also show their solidarity for the actor. One Johnny fan gave their take on Baldwin's stance, saying, "She's 100% correct, and more people need to call Amber out on this. I am Team Johnny. He's been around forever and never had an issue with anyone but Amber." Thank you, Ireland Baldwin. I wish more people would come out and support Johnny Depp and acknowledge the monster that Amber Heard is, another follower replied. I'll interest you to know that Baldwin isn't the only Hollywood celeb who has thrown her weight behind Depp. WandaVision star Paul Bettany, who is also a dear friend of Johnny Depp, has been one of his strongest advocates from the moment Amber made allegations of physical abuse against the Grindelwald actor. Not only has Bethany been very vocal about his support for Depp, the English star has also testified in court in Johnny's favor. Following the leaked messages shared between the two actors, the Marvel star was served by the court to refute claims regarding some expletive text messages between Bethany and Depp, where Heard was referred to as a corpse. Shortly before his testimony in court, Paul expressed his admiration for his Captain Jack Sparrow friend, tweeting, "Known Johnny Depp for years and through several relationships. He's the sweetest, kindest, gentlest man that I've ever known. Just saying." Multiple award-winning actor Javier Bardem seemed to share in Bettany's exact sentiments when he revealed his stance for Depp shortly after Heard made the heinous domestic violence allegations. "I love Johnny because he is a good human being, trapped in the lies and manipulations of toxic beings, and yet smiling and loving us all in spite of it. How? Through his music, through his acting, through his silence. This means a lot. Thank you, Johnny. Millions of others like me love you deeply," Bardem said at the time. While Depp has previously maintained that Tinseltown boycotted him after Amber's Washington Post op-ed accusing him of being an abuser, claims Johnny has rejected as false are not only some of Johnny's old industry friends and colleagues now mobilizing support and empathy for the Pirates of the Caribbean actor, Hollywood's former golden boy can now also boast of garnering new fans. The most intriguing so far, perhaps, Johnny's ex-wife's co-star co-star Jason Momoa, whose fans recently discovered to now being following Depp on Instagram amidst the trial against his Aquaman co-star Amber Heard, causing fans to conclude that Momoa has chosen to be on Johnny's side. Jason Momoa started following Johnny Depp on Instagram mid-trial? Interesting. Very interesting. What do you think? Optics or realization? Or finally being given the go-ahead to have a spine, some fans observed. I thought Jason was on Amber Heard's side. If he is Team Johnny, I can like him as a person again, another fan jubilated, to which someone else replied, I think Jason Momoa knows he dodged a bullet because I think Amber Heard threw herself at him when they were filming Aquaman. While some appreciate Jason's gesture as a way of solidly condemning his co-star's actions against Depp, not all see the actor's actions as genuine. Others believe this is only a ploy of Momoa's to get Depp's fans to watch the upcoming Aquaman 2 movie, which they've sworn to boycott as a result of Heard being hired back to appear in the movie. Unlike Johnny, who has been fired from his several franchise titles, such as Warner Brothers' Fantastic Beasts' third installment. He may have done so to encourage Johnny Depp's supporters to watch Aquaman 2, because he knows at this point it's going down the drain, a Twitter user commented. If you think it's just actors and producers that are pro-Depp, you'll have to think again. In fact, not only are fellow associates of Johnny Depp fighting this cause, musical stars have also lent their voices to the legal battle Johnny is embroiled in. And seeing as how the Fantastic Beasts alum was once a household name, this is in no way shocking. Award-winning artist Sia, who has not always been in Depp's favor, has now also joined the league of others that believe his story after the release of the infamous tape recordings that were presented at the court. Just showing my support for Johnny Depp. I mean, I'd love for him to get clean and stop with the jewelry, but he's clearly the victim after hearing those tapes, Sia tweeted. Sia, while cascading Heard, also sent out another tweet to Heard's former boyfriend, Elon Musk, who Heard dated for roughly a year before they split in 2018. Also, Elon Musk, didn't you give her the $7 million she donated from her settlement? The Chandelier singer added. She still came out $7 million richer. Why are you protecting her? She'll never get the help she needs if we all stay silent, Sia concluded. Now that Musk's name has come up, we might as well point out that it's no secret the billionaire is one of the few who are still advocating for Heard. Not only was it alleged that Musk and Heard were romantically involved from 2016 to 2018, Musk has also been rumored to be financing Heard's lifestyle at some point while they were involved. The businessman is also listed as a potential witness for the ongoing defamation case in Heard's favor. Of course, Musk isn't the only notable one championing Heard's cause. There's also award-winning actor James Franco, who's also listed as a witness in favor of Heard's testimony for the trial. And just like as it's alleged with Musk, there's also several rumors of Heard cheating on Depp with Franco, which is also a co-star of hers, while she was still married to estranged husband Depp. Amidst the back and forth, the most shocking revelation so far has been the fact that despite the obvious bad blood between the former couple, Heard's parents, particularly her mom, still have tons of love for the former son-in-law. Shortly after the Aquaman actress filed a restraining order against her ex-husband in 2016, Paige Heard, Amber Heard's mother, texted Depp clarifying that her daughter was forced to file a restraining order against him by her attorney. Her lawyer told her she had to. I swear to you this was not her idea, nor did she do it willingly or happily, Paige said. She further added, please don't pass this on if you ever talk to Amber again. I love you, son, the mother to the Rum Diary actress added. Well, if fan cheers are anything to go by, we dare say Johnny is sure in the lead to win, going by his army of supporters. Who are you rooting for in the Depp versus Heard trial? Let us know your thoughts and favorite in the comment section below. If you enjoyed watching this video, follow up on more Amber and Johnny news here. Thanks for watching.